Would you like a drink, sir?
Yes, Diet Coke, please.
Ice and lemon?
Just lemon.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Coffee? Tea?
Coffee, please.
Milk?
Yes, please.
Sugar?
No, thanks.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Hello, are you Mark Ryder?
Yes, are you Allie?
Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you.
And you. Welcome to the UK. Your hotel's in the city centre.
How far is it?
It's about 30 minutes if the traffic's okay.
Great.
Would you like a coffee first?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
All right, let's go. My car's in the car park. Can I help you with your bags?
No, it's okay, thanks.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, I have a reservation. My name's Mark Ryder.
Can you spell that, please?
R-Y-D-E-R.
For 5 nights.
Yes, that's right.
Can I have your passport, please?
Just a moment. Here you are.
Can you sign here, please? Do you want a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Here's your key. It's room 425 on the 4th floor.
Thank you. Oh, where's the lift?
It's over there. Do you need help with your bags?
No, it's okay, thanks.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Ryder.
Thank you.
Where are you from in the United States, Mark?
The West Coast, San Francisco.
Is it nice?
Oh, yeah, it's a great city. Are you from London?
No, I'm from Cambridge. My family live there, but I live here in London.
Sorry. Hello, darling, how are you? I'm fine, yeah. Don't worry. Fine, fine. That's great. Bye, darling. I love you. Sorry.
That's okay. Your wife?
No, my daughter. She always phones me when I'm traveling.
How old is she?
She's 9. She lives with her mother in Los Angeles. We're divorced. Are you married?
No, I'm not.
How old are you?
That's very personal. What do you think?
25, 26?
Thanks, I'm 27. How old are you?
I'm 34.
Oh.
Would you like another drink?
No, thanks. I have to go now, Mark. Our first meeting's at 10. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Allie. Good night.
Night.
Can I help you?
What would you like?
A cappuccino, please.
Regular or large?
Large, please.
And can I have an espresso, please?
To have here or take away?
To have here.
Anything else?
No, thanks.
A brownie for me, please.
Okay.
How much is that?
Together or separate?
Together.
That's $6.45, please.
Sorry, how much?
$6.45? Thank you.
Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome. Look, there's a free table over there. And here you are.
Oh!
I'm really sorry.
Don't worry. It's always the same. When I wear white, something like this always happens.
Look, first I'll get you another coffee, then we can go shopping.
Shopping?
Yeah, I want to buy you a new shirt. You can't go to a meeting like that.
But we don't have time. The next meeting's at 12:30.
We have time. It's only 11.
Are you sure?
Yes. Sit down and relax. Let's have coffee and then go.
Well, okay.
Can I help you?
Yes. What size is this shirt?
Let's see. A small. What size do you want?
A medium.
This is a medium.
Thanks. Where can I try it on?
The changing rooms are over there.
Thank you.
How is it?
It's fine. How much is it?
$34.99.
Do you take American Express?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Mark.
You're welcome. I'm really sorry about the coffee.
That's okay. It's late. Our meeting's at 12:30.
We can take a taxi.
Okay. Do you like the shirt?
Well, yeah. It's exactly the same as the other one.
The same? It's completely different.
Sorry.
Typical man.
Allie, can I ask you something?
Yeah? What?
Would you like to have dinner with me tonight?
Tonight?
Yeah, you see, it's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. I'm sorry, but I can't have dinner tonight. I'm busy.
Oh. How about Friday night?
Friday? Well, okay.
Do you know a good restaurant?
Let me think. Do you like Italian food?
I love it.
Well, there's a new Italian restaurant. We can go there.
Good idea. Taxi.
Can I help you?
How much is that T-shirt?
It's $15.60.
Sorry, how much did you say?
$15.60.
And how much are those mugs?
The big mugs are $10.25 and the small ones are $8.75.
Can I have a big mug, please?
Sure. Here you are. Anything else?
Do you have birthday cards?
Sorry, we've only got postcards.
Oh, well, just the mug then.
That's $10.25.
Here you are.
Have you got the 25?
Yes. Here.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Allie. Wow, you look great. Nice dress.
Oh, thank you. This is for you. For your birthday. I bought you a little present. Oh no! I hope it isn't broken.
It's a mug. It was a mug. Thanks, Allie.
I don't believe it. I'm sorry, Mark.
No problem. It was really nice of you.
I'll get you another one tomorrow.
Don't worry. Listen, did you call a taxi to go to the restaurant?
No, I have my car outside. Come on, it's time to go. I booked the table for 8, and I'm not sure exactly where the restaurant is.
Hey, Allie, relax. This isn't work. This is a night out.
Sorry, I'm a bit stressed today. Okay, let's go. Excuse me, where's King Street, please?
Sorry, I don't know.
Excuse me, is King Street near here?
King Street. It's near here, but I don't know exactly where, sorry.
Thank you. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to King Street?
Yes, go straight on, go past the church and then turn left at the traffic lights and then I think it's the second on the right.
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Yes, go straight on, go past the church and then turn left at the traffic lights and then I think it's the second on the right.
Thank you. Okay, it's this street. Oh, no, it isn't. I'm sure she said the first on the right.
No, she said the second on the right. Relax, Allie.
Look, let's ask that man there.
I don't think he knows. He's a tourist.
Just ask him, please.
Okay. Excuse me. We're lost. Do you know where King Street is?
Sorry, I don't live here. I'm a tourist.
See, I was right.
Okay, Let's try the second on the right.
Here it is, King Street. I knew she said the second on the right.
There's the restaurant, Donatella's. Can you see anywhere to park?
That white car's going over there. Do you think you can park in that space?
Are you saying I can't park?
Allie, I'm only joking.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, a table for two. My name's Ali Gray.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Come this way, please.